G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. About a week ago I made caramel in a can and everyone loved it because it's just so simple to make and you can use it on desserts or even in recipes. So today I'm going to make a different version, but it's just as simple. So join me today as I make my version of caramel in a microwave. Okay, so to start off with, and this is how simple it is, into a bowl, we're going to place in half a cup of corn syrup or glucose syrup, depending on what country you're from. Then to that, a quarter cup of melted butter. All the ingredients are in the description. Then half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Then a quarter teaspoon of salt just to enhance the flavor. Then half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. And yes, you do need the brown sugar, so I highly recommend that you use it. So using a whisk, I'm just gonna give it a very good mix around until it's completely combined. Okay, so once it's mixed through, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna place this into the microwave on high, and we're gonna place it in there for 6 minutes, but every 2 minutes, take it out and give it a very good stir. Okay, so next I've got a baking dish here. I've just lined the base with some non-stick baking paper and left some overhang. Just makes it easier to pick it up. So while being extremely careful, because this is very, very hot, we're just going to pour that caramel onto the base. And just make sure you wash the bowl straight away, otherwise you're going to have a hard time later on. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let this cool down for a couple of hours, then place it in the fridge for a couple more hours, then it'll be ready. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the fridge and it's set. So it should just pull straight out. And there we have our lovely block of caramel. So just use a warm knife and we're just going to start making some slices. And there we have it, some lovely, lovely caramel. Now this would have to be the easiest way I have ever made chewy, solid caramel. Now my microwave is of 1100 watts, so if yours is greatly less, like say 600, just add about 30 seconds to the time, it should be enough. But enough of that, let's see what it's like. As you can see, it's nice and soft. Oh, that's definitely very chewy. The caramel has always been one of my favorite flavors ever. I guess you could say it's definitely one of my weaknesses. So for someone who loves caramel, I can honestly say this is fantastic. It really, really is. But the best part about this caramel is it tastes simply delish. So if you're a huge caramel fan like myself, and like most other people, give this a go because I know you will love it. Thank you for watching this episode of Todd's Kitchen. A list of ingredients down below, as well as links to my Facebook, Twitter, and Home Handy Hints channel. Please do me a huge favor by giving this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another delicious recipe.